I'm take care of you. You have to stay home, baby. No, for real, baby. For real, baby, you have to stay home. Just from the moment you can't go back on the world. But you have to bring that one here. No, Auntie B, I tell you something good out for you. I tell you something good out for you. It don't happen, people.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. Guys, I've got a good one today. So me and Akeen have already decided that we are not going to have any children. And I went and bought pregnancy test. So I am going to tell him that I'm pregnant. Stay tuned. I don't know how this works. Babe! Come here! Hurry up! Oh my god! Okay. Babe,
What?
I went to the store yesterday and I bought a pregnancy test. And we're pregnant!
Really?
Yes!
Yeah, why not go me out there? I don't believe in it.
Babe! There's a pregnancy test. I bought it at yesterday and it says I'm pregnant. You see the 2 lines? You know, I've been haven't been feeling well lately.
Probably just say that ball for pickle and ice cream and bag of sitting the other day.
I know, I was craving pickles and ice cream, pickles and peanut butter.
Babe, say never take the pill.
No.
What do you mean no?
Because I didn't think I was going to get pregnant at this age.
You want to go back for this again? You want to go back for that?
What am I supposed to do? What are we supposed to do?
You never sign up for it, you know.
Babe, what are we supposed to do?
We can't do nothing now. We have to just bring it.
I'm excited. I have a... Okay. So part of me is excited and part of me is like scared.
Tell you something now. Tell you something a fire see you, you know, baby. I tell you how much time to get a fire, you know. Ramp with it.
Oh
so
my...
I tell you if you take the pill, baby, but it come like...
you
say you don't want it.
I'm not throwing it away. We're going to keep it.
I mean, if you have to keep it.
Of course we are.
But you know, I'm not believe you. So hold on, I make you take a next one, you know, I don't believe you, you know, be.
Okay, here, I'll do it right in front. I'll do it right in front of you. Okay, hold on. Okay, there it is there. It came with 2, so give me the scissors right there.
Which scissors?
Right here. Isn't your pair of scissors there?
Oh, yeah. Black and white, baby.
There's no way.
Tell you ramp with my dog, you know, my dog a fire, you know, baby. Tell you,
Okay, so I gotta pee in this.
Keep on ramping.
Okay, hold on. Oh my god, my hair. What?
Where are you?
You gotta put the pee in here. Hold on.
Say I have something on there?
Yeah, hold on. You gotta put it in here. Okay. Okay. But you gotta wait.
So you set it?
What? You just gotta wait a minute and see.
Okay. still rampant me, you know. Yeah, come like a that's why from the other day I tell me about pickle and ice cream and bag of apple and bag of sitting every time.
See, it's happening again. The 2 lines are coming up. I told you. How am I pregnant this old?
That me a wonder, B. I tell you some dad now ramp with people. You take my thing for joke. So you powerful and in a ramp, you know, B. Come like it open up some ovaries or something, you know.
Oh my
And
god.
crack a one egg, you know, baby. Come like a dat it do, you know.
Okay, we gotta start thinking of names. We gotta think of names. What do you want to name it if it's a boy?
Mini A man, a AJ man.
AJ?
Akeen Junior man.
Oh! Okay, we need to get a new apartment. We need a bigger apartment.
Anything for you right now, baby? All out me I go for you, you know.
Okay, and
all out me I go for you right now. I'm happy. Baby, I can't believe.
Are you really happy, baby?
What do you mean if me happy? Black and white? Mix.
Oh my god, what's the first thing we're gonna do? What can we do? I'm so excited. We have to call everyone. We have to call your parents. We have to call my parents. Oh no, we should wait. Because just in case something happens. Because you know, sometimes things happen, right? We gotta wait 3 months.
You gotta give them a 3 months period.
We gotta wait 3 months because I could have a miscarriage. Anything could happen.
Yeah, for real.
Right?
Right now, I'm excited.
I know.
Pray, me go pray.
We just gotta pray.
Baby.
We just gotta pray. God.
No, nothing happen to you.
If God made me pregnant, then we have to pray about it.
You mean I'm telling you something I shoot like a gun? What you? You something thick a come out. When it a come out.
Okay, I guess I need to get up now. My legs are frozen to the toilet. I can't.
Anything no, baby, me have to stay home and take care of you now. You man? You can't make you go nowhere.
Oh, hold on. Who's this?
You can't make you go nowhere.
Oh, that's just a spam caller. Let me get rid of that. That's just a spam caller.
You can't make you go nowhere, baby. You have to go stop her. You don't stop work already. Oh, you need to go manage it, babe.
I have no idea, babe. I don't know. I'm like in shock right now. Like I'm really overwhelmed and I'm really, like I knew I was feeling nauseous the last couple weeks and I get up to pee like 10 times a night. I'm peeing.
Yeah, that me I wonder. Yeah, bother about this and that.
Yeah.
You want be
apples and hot sauce and pickles and
you know
peanut butter and because when you're pregnant you do crave those things, right? Oh my gosh. I'm in shock right now. I don't even know what to do.
So you say, look, Roger for brother.
Or a sister. Or a sister.
A boy, you know. I tell you, hey, JB. A boy, because mine got no fire for girls still, you know. Because when me do girl picking in the past, you know. I don't want, if a boy ever do my girl picking, that's a problem, you know, baby. You must be mad. So I don't want no girl. Because when I do girl picking in the past, if a boy ever ramp with my girl, so, remember a problem. But baby, I'm happy, man. Right now, me have to go pray, you know. Because a boy, I feel like he's a boy already. My God, no fire, girl.
Okay, hold on. Oh, can you get me some toilet paper behind the door? Thank you. Let me put my
for your girl, B.
So, baby, we discussed we didn't want to have a child, and now I'm pregnant. So, we're pregnant. I should say we're pregnant. But you're okay with that?
What do you mean? I'm going to take care of my little son. I'm not ramping him, baby. You're mad? Me there for him. My mother and my wife, baby.
Babe,
I
I
have
don't
to
know.
take care
I
of
don't
him.
know if I want to have a baby at this age, though.
What are you with me? Oh, you can't do nothing. If you say you're a Christian, you have to keep it, babe. You have to keep it. You can't, boy, dash it to
Babe,
your
I'm too old to have a baby.
Me say, me no want you work. You have to go stay home and take care of you. You have to stay home, babe. No, for real, baby. For real, baby, you have to stay home. Just from the moment you can't go back on the work. Because you have to bring that one here. No, Auntie B, me tell you something good for you. Me tell you something good for you. Don't happen,
Don't hurt my heart. Oh, you got your shorts on. I was going to say, oh my God, you're so foolish.
People, baby. I'm happy right now. I'm happy, baby. Megis. I'm happy right now, baby.
I got something to tell you.
Wow.
It's just a prank. Sorry, babe. I got you back. I'm getting you back. I'm sorry. I ordered it online. They're just fake ones. I'm sorry, babe. I'm getting you back.
Baby, what more, sir?
Yeah.
Yo, jealous that. You want more stuff with you, baby? Jenn, what you want get
Babe,
dark
we do
here.
not need any more kids right now. We
Yo,
got.
I don't tell you that, but if it come, I take it still.
Yes, I
Don't tell you
understand.
that, baby. Say,
I
right
understand.
now, at the bag me I go for. I'm not dip on that right now. But
You still love me?
even if my love you,
You're not mad at me.
I'm youth already. Me have one.
Okay. All right, guys. So it worked. So I got him, guys.
You think you're easy? Think good, man. I'm prank war, you know. Anytime I come for you, normally I take you tell her, yo. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share out the video.
Yes.
We love it. You understand?
And
We love
remember-
the comments, we love the support, we love everything we are coming. You understand what I say?
Absolutely.
Just believe. You understand? We are create our own gang. Remember.
And we were having so much fun, guys. Like, I know some people get upset, but we're having so much fun. Like, it is a blast. You know, for a moment we're feeling it, but we love it. We're having fun. But guys, we always want to give God all the praise and all the glory, you know, and nothing's possible without God. So we just want to lift his name and hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Mwah. Peace out.
I say Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?